Do you need to replace the solid-state drive on the Inspiron 16 Plus 7630? Also, you can click the top right of the screen to find this part or tools or additional help on our website, including written step-by-step tutorials with detailed images. Now that that's out of the way, let's jump into it. First, unscrew the bottom base cover. Now use a plastic scribe to separate and remove the bottom base cover. To prevent static discharge, I recommend disconnecting your battery before moving any further. If your laptop has a 2230 solid-state drive, you'll unscrew the solid-state drive and the heat shield. Next, unscrew the solid-state drive and separate it from the mounting bracket. If your laptop comes configured with a 2280 solid-state drive, you'll unscrew and remove the solid-state drive and heat shield. The reassembly of your laptop is as simple as following your steps in reverse. If you still need help, you can visit partspeople.com and view printable DIY instructions to help you along the way. We also have playlists of thousands of Dell tutorials for hundreds of different models, so keep checking back. Thanks for watching.